Oh, wow. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Separate Ways, the old version, 2002. I think that's what year it was. I can't remember. Anyways, I'm going to try out this game for the day and see how it goes. Oh, that sounds cool.
The only reason I've taken on this mission is to get closer to my own objective. No matter what happens, I can't let anyone figure that out. Of course, hiding in the shadows isn't my style. I'll have to reveal myself to him and offer advice once in a while.
Leon, I presume? And just to let you guys know, I've never played this one before. I only played the new version, not this one. So this is going to be a little interesting to see what differences there are in the game.
Madre.
Oh boy. What? And no one else heard that?
So I see you've managed to arrive at the village on time.
Yes, but nobody remembered to roll out my red carpet.
The villagers there are all being controlled. They automatically attack any intruders. Ring the church bell. That should quiet them down for a while.
So she does ring the
Sounds
church
like
bell.
they're good, obedient boys and girls.
Unfortunately, time is not a luxury we have. Gather as much information as you can about the parasites and finish off this little tour.
Chapter 1. Ring the church bell. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Oh, it's been so long. Nope. Dang it. Oh my god, it's been so long. I'm gonna have a little trouble with this. Ah, come on! There we go, finally. Are you serious? Wrong button. Yeah, nice try. And how are you not dead yet? Ah, dang it, wrong button again. Dang. Nice try. Are you kidding? There. Jeez. Where am I going anyway? Oh, I gotta get to that door somehow. Door won't open, it's locked. The cult insignia is echoed to the door. So I presume the bell tower. Oh. That explains the chainsaw. Okay, so what am I doing? Where am I going? So we're both basically walking around the same area. Hold on, Leon, I'm working on it. I just need a green herb and I'm set. Are you kidding me? I had to climb the roofs to figure that out? It was this house, right? Oh no. I was gonna say, I thought I heard him. Oh, I did. Whoops. Ah, man. What? I swear, to the love of God, if you're not dead. How? I cannot stop hitting maps. Okay, before I do anything else, let me combine these. Oh, okay, so it's just basically that. Look, this is done. Oh. Hello. I'm just gonna walk past you for a minute. Oh no. Son of a... It's not worth the bullet. And neither is this knife dealing. What the heck? There we go. Awesome.
Welcome.
Okay, so you just stand there this
Got a
time.
selection of good things on sale, stranger.
Sell me some treasure and buy some weapons.
What are you selling?
We only got a spinal for now.
Is that all, stranger? Is that all? Thank you. What are you buying?
Dang.
Come back anytime.
I hopefully will. Oh, it's paint red. Okay, now they're just assuming I'm gonna get hurt a lot. Okay, confused. Where you guys come from? How do you like it? Oh man. Nope. Wrong button again. I am just terrible at these. So I need to keep going. Now stay dead. Really? There we go. Kayla just cannot catch a break. Oh no. I didn't realize I was running out of bullets. Maybe I should start running through. My word. Ah, man. Okay, we got any more handgun ammo? Come on, come on. Man, I am just sick of this. Come on, die. I got no more ammo to waste on you fools. Seriously, how do none of you have ammo? Oh, except for right here. And I hit the wrong button once again. There's a snake. Oh, no, there's a yellow herb. Nice. Of course. That'll help for the time being. But yeah, I gotta use the knife a bit more. Because apparently I can't waste my ammo. Won't budge. And it's supposed to go... Oh no. I'm supposed to go down there. Ah, yeah, the puzzle. Right, I'll have to go look and see. The music's still going off, so that means that there's something else here, isn't there? Oh, cool. Okay, so I gotta remember, it's the V, the S, the V, the S, and the M. Got it. It feels, I'm sorry for not talking so much or not thinking straight, but it's been so long since I played this. It's gonna be a little harder to work with. Especially since this Ada story. Let's see, can I get this right? There! Oh my god! Can't waste my ammo. Really? No ammo whatsoever? The bar shot won't let me do Yesenia. Unless something is in this mechanism, the bars won't open. I guess I gotta put it back. I'll leave it there for a second. I gotta find something. Seriously? Oh no, you don't. Oh boy. Don't know where they came from, but my god, that was terrifying for a split second. Oh, I don't have much ammo. Once again, I hit the wrong button every time. Nope. Oh my god, yes. Is this game trying to tell me that son of a bitch. That I shouldn't be finding all the enemies and just run past them? Because if so, that's really getting annoying. Oh my... You've got to be kidding me. Wrong button. Wrong button. Whatever. Stay down. Thank God. It won't budge. Something's holding the door firmly. Okay. Crap. This has been one heck of a chapter. And I know for a fact I'm gonna suck playing as Ada. I'm just lucky I didn't die once yet. But if I have to from now on, I might as well run past the enemies. And actually use my brain and go back for the key for Leon, which now that I realize, he gets the treasure back here instead of the insignia. There. So how come that doesn't close when Leon gets it? I don't get it. Nor will I ever. Oh, come on. Well, I did that one myself. Yeah, I do not care. Oh, come on. Figures. Ada just cannot catch a break. Idiot. Okay, I didn't see him. Ashley. Can I not waste my ammo like a moron? Wow, there's more. Can I switch army in from the side? For the time being, I can. Come on, come on. Aw, man, you took your sweet time. You're just standing there. Why? Are you just stuck there? Because if so, thank you. I can work on this real quick. Like that. Green, I guess, will go like that. And blue like that. Ah, dang it. One of them wasn't right. Which was it? Was it red by chance? There we go. It was red. It was upside down. Oh, all that was Ada.
Tenemos que irnos.
You gotta be kidding. Ada had to go through all that to ring a bell?
Lord Sattler. Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Nope. We're going to the next series in Resident Evil, Separate Ways. End of chapter 1. Holy cow! I did not do well, but I managed to survive. I don't know how many chapters are going to be in this one. I just hope they're short. We'll just have to see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I will see you all next time.
Here's what I know so far. Osmond Saddler's cult is known as Los Illuminados. They've resurrected some sort of parasitic organism they call Las Plagas. That's all my organization knows for sure, though Saddler's occult activities seem worthy of investigation. The Salazar family, Castellans for generations, possessed the ability to control Las Plagas. The organization's hypothesis is that a unique frequency of sonic wave, sensed only by the parasites, is used to control them. The same principle used in dog whistles. This
Really?
was inferred through the analysis of a tissue sample we retrieved. The tissue contained an organ presumably used for sensing sound waves. I've seen cult members carrying ceremonial rods, and I wonder if they emit these sounds. Of course, this is purely theoretical. The organization needs samples of the parasite to confirm or disprove these theories. That is the main objective of my mission, and the only way to prove my loyalty to the organization. The opening moves in this chess game have been played. There's no turning back now.
Was there ever? The only reason I've taken on this mission is to get closer to my own objective, no matter what happens. I can't let anyone figure out that out. Of course, hiding in the shadows isn't my style. I'll have to reveal myself to him and offer advice once in a while. Here's what I know so far. Oh wait, didn't you just reel this? Probably, yep. I will happily save.